everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. I am here with my design team package from InLoveArtshop, and I will leave all the links down below to their store and to all of these awesome dies that I just got and I'm so excited to play with. And I do have a discount code that if you use the discount code FURY, F-U-R-Y, you can save 25% on your purchase from InLoveArtshop. So let me show you what I got. And I know you won't be surprised at several of them. But this is the first die that I got. And it's called it's a Halloween theme, shocker. And it's called the Halloween Message Board. Look how stinking cute this is. It cuts out Halloween here. It's got like this little banner, like a layering piece that's got these bats here and this spider. I'm super excited to play with this. And so this is a good size die. Looks like it's almost 4 inches. Well, the banner part is like 4 inches by 3 1/4, and then the inside is 3 1/2 by 1 1/8. Super cute. Look at that. Super excited to do something with that. And I'm on a steampunk roll right now, and I'm having a blast. And I seen this die, and this is also part of the Halloween theme, and it is called the Plague Doctor die. And this is super cute. So it's got 3 pieces to it, and then the Halloween had 2 pieces. Look how cute. It's got a layering piece, and then there's the hand, and it's got a cane. Look how cute he is. He's like little over 1 1/2 inches wide and like 3 3/8 inches tall. And then there's his hand, and then here's the layering piece, and it's 3 1/2 by about 1 1/4. Look at him. Look how stinking cute he is. Look how fun. I'm gonna have a ball with that one, because you can use it for Halloween, you can use it for steampunk. So yes please. And then the total opposite of the spectrum, Easter's coming up. So these are cute little rabbits in love dies. Okay. And I want you to look how stinking cute these are. Comes with 2 rabbits, 1, 2, 3 hearts. Well, 4 hearts, because you get the big heart, and it looks like you get like the little nose, the little ears and eye. Look how cute. These would be perfect for 3 by 3 cards. So your bunny, the bunny, looks like he is about 1 3/8 inches wide and what? Almost 1 7/8 inches tall. And then your heart's a good size too. It's 1 5/8 inches wide and right at 1 1/2 inches tall. So look how stinking cute them little bunnies are. Perfect, perfect, perfect for Easter. And we still have Valentine's Day coming up. So this is the Love Word Heart shaped die. And you can make this into a shaker. And that may be very well what I do. You get 3 pieces. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get the word love. You get 2 of the bigger outline of the heart. Then you get 3 little hearts right there. Is that not adorable? That would be a cute shaker. Let's see. So the heart is 2 1/8 inches tall by what? 2 1/2 inches wide. So would that not be perfect for Valentine's Day or anything. Love it, love it, love it. And, okay, this little critter here caught my eye. And I thought, okay, I'm trying to do better on paper piecing. I've not been a big fan of it, but I've been trying a little bit. And I can see why everybody does it because they are just too stinking cute. I want you to look at this. These are called the Ghost Gentleman, which is this little critter right here, and your Ghost Lady. Look how cute them are. Oh my goodness. And you get 2 of them. Stinking cute. And they're good size, guys. The lady is right at 3 3/4 inches tall. That's a good size die. And she is 2.5 inches wide. And our little Ghost Gentleman here is probably right at just a tad over 2 1/4 inches wide and 3 5/8 inches tall. Look how stinking cute them are. I love them. We're going to have fun with them. So there is that die. And here is a set of classic tags. Perfect to put on any project. And look how cute. You get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it ranges from the smallest, which in there's look like they're stitched around and then got kind of like a wavy edge, which is pretty cool. And the smallest one is 1 1/4 by 3/4. And the largest one is, wait, did I say, no, it's 3/4. Did I say 3/4 by 1 1/4? Okay. And the largest one is 1 1/4 by 1 7/8. And you get 5. Look how pretty those are. Those would be cute on anything. So that is the classic dies. And going back to our Easter. That's sticking. Okay, going back to the Easter one. This is called the Exquisite Easter eggs and 2-piece die set. And this is going to be what's considered the 2-piece here because it's like a banner. And then here is your Easter egg. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dies. Got 2 little Easter eggs here that you can put inside the big Easter egg. And it says Happy Easter. And you put that on top of that little banner there. So the banner is 3 3/8 by right at 3/4. And your Easter egg, it's kind of hard till I put it together, but it's going to be at least 2 3/8 wide. And look how cute that is. I love that. So look at that Easter. That'd make a beautiful card or even a big old tag. Mine's already going crazy. And just got a couple more here, guys. And this one right here is a coffee cup and cute kitty die. And there again, we're going to start working on our paper piecing. And look how cute this die is. Here's your little kitty face and little kitty feet. So it comes with a bunch of pieces. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These must be the little paws. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there's the body there. Bunch of pieces. So this is going to be fun. Look how cute. I can't wait to put this together. Stay tuned. So there is the kitty with the coffee cup die. And here's with the Easter theme again. And this is called, it's a 3-piece hollow flower Easter egg die. Perfect for shakers. You could make a cute little shaker with this. That'd be pretty on an ATC, artist trading card. You get 3 pieces, and this would be your bottom piece, and these would be your layering piece. And it looks like they are right at 1 3/4 inches wide and 2.5 inches tall. And I bet they're all that. Yep. Yep. So you get these beautiful flower cutouts, and you put it on the top of this. Super, super cute. And two. I got 2 more. And here is, this one is called the Creative Birthday Cake. I don't have a lot of birthday themed dies, and I really need to get better on my card making. So I'm going to continue to keep trying. How stinking cute is this? This will cut out, and this will be a layering piece. And here's your birthday cake, and you got your birthday candles on top. So this is probably going to be 3 7/8 wide and 5.5 inches tall. So that's going to be a perfect size birthday card. Look how pretty that is. That's going to be fun to play with, and paper piece. So there is that one. And when I seen this one, I had to pick it because it was just too stinking cute. If you've got a teacher in your life, this is a large pencil. And you paper piece it together. It's got 1, 2, 3 pieces. There's going to be your tip, your tip of your pencil, and then there's like the decorative piece. And it is 2.5 inches wide and right over 4 5/8 inches tall. Look how cute that is. Is that not adorable? I love that. So thank you, InLoveArtshop. And don't forget, if you use my code, which is Fury, you can save 25% on your next purchase. And stay tuned. I'm going to start playing with these and seeing what we can come up with some project shares. Thank you all so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. And may God bless each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.